a storm a-brewing. Catching it on both video cameras because it looks like I might be getting rain and hail anytime now. Oh yeah, here it comes right now. Right here at the instant that the storm front hit. Look at that. Lightning and thunder, so I'm trying to stay under the eavesdrop. Whacked. They're flying. Vicious. Time to get out of here. Well, can't even see down to the river. It's getting lashed. Thankfully no hail. We're getting lashed by the storm, boy. So we're usually going to get an inch out of this. Crazy. Here's just from another angle. At least we're on the leeward side here, so the wind's not so bad. Definitely put the vehicles inside the garages because it could give you trouble. Leaves are steady falling off the trees. Good, strong summer storm. At least a few of these every year. Always good for an adrenaline pump. Well, thankfully, damage by the storm is minimal. Nothing major broken, but all of our windows on this side, even though they were closed and locked, leaked with the crazy wind. I got chocolate milk down here in the shoreline. And the wind is just pumping out of the east now, whereas it was out of the northwest when it came in, and all day it was a gentle breeze out of the west. It was about 32 degrees or so during the day. Unfortunately, our air conditioning has broken this week, so we got up to like 28 degrees in the house. It's now down to 18 degrees within minutes to an hour. Amazing, eh? Luckily, no tornado activity. This is what we're looking for. And I think areas south and north of us got hit worse. So, once again, I count ourselves fortunate here. It's beautiful, it's fresh. Well, we received 23 millimeters of rain. Look at this bizarre looking cloud pattern. I've seen it in pictures before, but this is the first time I've ever seen it personally. Pretty wild, eh? Billowy. And it's just kind of yellow out here now. That's just the dog. Here's another view of it. Oh, it's kind of surreal, man. Very bizarre. It's just amazing how you can drop from 32 degrees and then we actually dropped down to 18 after this storm. It's just yellow. Everything has a yellow hue. Amazingly, not too much damage done though. Just leaves coming off trees. So it looks like our shingles are intact from what I can see so far. Pretty amazing. Well, over and out for now. I think we've seen enough excitement for one day. Take care easy, guys.